Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go. Alright, so since you already know how to read a word that has a short E sound, ngayon naman, aaralin natin ang pagbabasa na naiintindihan na natin. Okay? So magfa-flash si Sir Ivy ng mga word. Siyempre, babasahin natin na mayroong mga short E sound pa rin. Tapos, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang picture para naintindihan ninyo ang inyong binabasa. Okay? Alright, so let's start with this word. So, di ba silang dalawa, pag pinagsama, ang tunog nila ay ne. Ne. Tapos, idudugtong mo yung sound netong dalawa. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be nest. One more time. Nest. Alright, so alam nyo ba kung ano yung nest? Okay, so yeah, let me show you the picture. So yun ang nest. Very good. So let's go ahead and proceed with another word. Alright, so let's read this. This will be... Okay, so sige, mag-sound muna tayo. So, di ba ito, may katabing ne, tapos, very good. So, let's combine all the sound together. Tuloy-tuloy lang. That will be net. One more time. Net. Very good. So, what is a net? Let me show you the picture. Alright, so nakita nyo na kung ano ang net. Let's go ahead and proceed with another word. Alright, so let's go ahead and read this word. This will be... Good job. So that will be leg. One more time. Leg. And what is a leg? Let me show you the picture. Alright, so that will be the leg. Alright, how about this word? Let's read this. This will be... Good job. So this is b. May katabing so that will be be, tapos l. So ang basa dyan ay bell. One more time. Bell. So what is a bell? Let me show you the picture. Oh, nakita nyo na? So yun ang bell. Alright, so how about this word? Let's read this. Alright, so let me help you. That will be, eto B2 letter B. So ang sound ng letter B, b. Tapos ito, yung letter D. At ang sound ng letter D, d. Tapos may E or sa gitna. So let's combine all the sound together. That will be bed. One more time. Bed. What is a bed? So let me show you the picture, okay? Alright, so that is a bed. Good job. Hello everyone. If this video helps you learn how to read, please like and follow Sir Ivy's Facebook and TikTok account. Don't forget to share para madami pang maturuan si Sir Ivy bumasa. Also, you may visit her YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good job! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!